Golden. So, 20 years na po ako sa live. Pwede na tayo. Oo. So, on the first year of the year, and then before after the finance, thank you so much for all your recognition and your love. Sa totoo lang, I feel very blessed na hindi ko din sa mga ng tao mayroong return na nangyayari sa inyong lifetime at at hindi lahat ng babae ay mayroong mga sister na kagaya ninyo. Challenging, pero alam ko, only amount with mahal nyo kasi ang bawat isa sa atin. It's very challenging. So, with that, I'm very blessed to have been the part of Makati Golden Lions.
Continue to recruit beautiful.
Yeah.
We're equally beautiful. Yeah. Quality members.
Yes.
So we will maintain the Hall of Famer.
Yes.
Among the existing.
Sandali, paano ba maging Hall of Famer?
Hall of Famer na po tayo.
Hindi nga.
Laging always.
Ay, hindi na. Always na yun. Walang maintenance fee.
Ay, ang Hall of Famer natin lahat na yun.
Okay.
Lahat tayo. So, isa lang wish ko po. Next year, sana hindi na ako treasurer.
Let us answer, yung Gob Nene, si Ma'am Nene's, question. Paano daw naging Hall of Famer ang Makati Golden Lions Club? So, yes, so when Makati Golden Lions Club started, sa panahon ni na Gob Rose, sila Gob Ana, sina Ma'am Caro, si Ma'am Vicky ang nag-start niyan. Dire-diretso for the first up to the 5th year, the only Lions Club, female club na every year sila ang nagna-number 1 sa awards, nagna-number 1 sa service, nagna-number 1 sa recruitment. So for yun yung first 5 years nila, talagang kasagsagan daw. I'm not a member yet, pero I was inspired with that story, and ito ang kauna-unahang nabigyan ng Hall of Famer. And so once nabigay so nang nabigay na sa kanila, hindi na yun nawala. Okay. Hindi na siya, so lagi siyang nare-recognize international. The first women's Makati Golden Hall of Famer nadaig pa niya yung mga lalaki, mga nauna pa sa atin. So sila yon. And then, noong time na yon, all-women club lang ang Makati Golden Lions Club. The only time na nagkakaroon ng lalaki is pag nag-governor na sila at nag-apply sila sa NGLC. Yon.
At the same time, in-accept na
In-accept. So ngayon, meron din mga governor na meron mga asawa. Ay, mga Lions Club na members natin na may mga asawa, naging parang honorary muna sila. So, during the time of Ma'am Mona, which is pandemic time, nag-accept tayo ng male Lion member. So, dalawa lang muna si Pres Patrick at saka si First Gentleman noon. So sila pa lang talaga. And then the rest were honorary because they were governors. And then become chairman. Member na siya because naging governor na sila, and then they were the first one to be part of the club. Pero tayo noon is we are all women club. So now, first time tayong magkaroon ng presidente na lalaki. And after
Chairman Bobby
absent lang siya. So and then si Pres Patrick. So after noon, parang this year again nare-recognize na ulit ang MGLs. So, dapat makuha natin yung Excellence Award at saka Humanitarian International Award.
Yes.
Thank you!
Roar!
Roar!